to Kids Zone, where learning meets fun.
Hey kids, let's sing the letter A. A is the start. Let's learn and play. Yay! A is for apple, yummy and sweet. A is for ant with tiny feet. A is for alligator, big and green. A is for airplane, flying the scene. A is for astronaut, up in space. A is for alarm, ring ring in place. A is for avocado, green inside. A is for animal, let's take a ride. A is for axe, chop that wood. A is for anchor, heavy and good. A is for alphabet, ABC fun. Let's learn I with everyone. Kids on apple, ant is for awesome. Let's all chant. Wave your arms, jump and say, is the letter hooray, hooray. Kids Zone. Ant. A is for awesome. Let's all chant. Wave your arms, jump and say, A is the letter hooray, hooray. Kids Zone. Now you know the letter A. Come back for more every day. Subscribe to Kids Zone, don't delay. B is next, so press play. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. See you soon. Bye bye. Kids Zone. Kids Zone. Kids Zone. Kids Zone, where learning meets fun. Kids Zone. Kids Zone. Kids Zone, where learning meets fun. Kids Zone. Kids Zone, where learning meets fun. Great job, little learners. You did amazing. Goodbye, Mahmoud, Bana, and Maria. See you in the next fun video on Kids Zone. This is Kids Zone, where learning meets fun. And we'll see you next time with more singing and smiling. Don't forget to subscribe and share the